To add Jotform to Wix, start by creating a Jotform account and a new form. Go to the Jotform website and sign up if you don't have an account. Then click on Create a Form and choose a template or start from scratch. Customize your form by adding fields, questions and settings as needed. Once you have created and customized your form, click on the Publish button and select Embed from the drop-down menu. Choose the iframe option and copy the embed code. This code will be used to embed your Jotform into your Wix website. Next, log into your Wix account and navigate to the page where you want to add the form. Click on the Add button and select More from the drop-down menu. Then click on Embed a Site. Paste the Jotform embed code into the Embed a Site window and click Apply. Adjust the size of the form as needed by dragging the corners of the embedded form. You can also customize the appearance of the form by using the Wix settings. Make sure to click Save and publish your site to make the changes live. To test your form, go to your live Wix site and fill out the form. Submit the form to ensure it is working correctly and that you receive the submissions in your Jotform account. You can also integrate your Jotform with other Wix features such as Wix Contacts and Wix Email. Marketing. Best practices for adding Jotform to Wix include making sure your form is mobile-friendly and that it matches your Wix site branding. You should also test your form regularly to ensure it is working correctly and make any necessary adjustments. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily add a Jotform to your Wix site and start collecting submissions from your visitors.